Okay, so this video is going to be how to make a dodo bird as a character in Minecraft. Okay, here we go. So you're going to need to go to body, obviously slender skin, then you're going to want to select a different color for your body this time, and it's going to be gray dark. Then you're going to want to go to hairs. If you want none, that's okay, but the head that you're going to need to have takes away the showing of your hairs. So if you want to put that on none, you can, but it doesn't change anything. So then, it doesn't matter what eye you have, like equipped. Neither does it with the mouth. You don't even need a mouth for that. Then, this is something that needs to be different. You're gonna need the height to be small, or smaller. And then it's also gonna be narrow. Then you're going to go to style. You're going to need a couple more things for this one. So you're going to need the moody dress. Then you're going to need the cream skirt, or because you don't have anything, you can't, because if you put on any others, it'll show, and that just looks a little weird. And this one, the cream skirt doesn't show, so you're gonna need that. Or, yeah, you're just gonna need the cream skirt equipped. Then you're gonna need to go to headwear, or I may be wrong, yeah, headwear, and then you're gonna get the dodo head, obviously. So then you have a nice dodo bird head. And everything else, I think there's nothing else that you need. If you want to add wings, you could just get elytra, but you can also get these wings, or just equip these wings, which doesn't look good. Or you can just have those wings, but these wings are gray, so this is how it looks from the front. But that's how to make a dodo. Here's the result. Here's the result without the wings. Anyway, that's how to make a dodo dodo bird as a Minecraft account or character, whichever one, doesn't matter. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.